This is an Ace Series a527. It's basically the round body American 700 clone. It does have serrated and spools in it. It is better than the DeGuard and the US General, the one you get from Harbor Freight. I don't know about the Brinks. It's not as good as a 700. But to try to get into it, we use Lawlock's tools, 47 thousandths, and then the number 3 from the Reaper set. Nothing on 1, 2, about 4 clicks out of 3, about 2 clicks out of 4, 2 clicks out of 5, click out of 1. It's not open yet. Let's see. I think I'm hung up on a spool. There we go. And then I just had to lift 2, and it's open. But that's the Ace model 527.